In today's video, let me show you how to fix TikTok profile picture not updating. If you're trying to add in a new profile picture or change to a new profile picture within TikTok, in this video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the image is under 20 MB and is in either a JPEG or a PNG format. If none of these criteria is matched, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So you need to either fix the file format or you need to reduce the file size. Now, if this is not the case for you, the other thing that you can try out is try to clear out the app cache. Head over to the three lines on the top right, head over to settings, scroll down, head over to free up space, and right here you'll be able to see the option called cache. Just tap on the clear option. Once you complete this step, make sure you remove the TikTok app from the recent app list. Try to open up the app again and try to see if now you can change or upload the profile picture. Now, even after doing all of these steps, and if you're still having issues with it, this likely could mean that TikTok is having issues right now. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a couple of hours before you try to upload the picture again. So I do hope this video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.